This revolutionary device automatically finds, sorts, and saves photos and videos across your devices, making it easy to protect and access all of your precious memories in a matter of minutes. The pictures we love and videos we cherish are difficult to find and scattered all over our devices, one accident away from being lost forever. Over 1 billion people lose their cherished memories every year as a result of computer crashes, lost passwords, accidents, and even hackers. But thanks to a recent innovation, these missing photos and videos are just a click away. Just click go and watch while it does all the work for you, saving you days of searching and sorting all your photos and videos. It is now easy to enjoy and share your favorite memories with friends and family, without the frustration of searching for and organizing them yourself. People who want to safekeep their favorite memories are loving it. It's called the PhotoStick Omni. It's gone viral since its recent creation, helping millions of people protect and access their most precious memories with one click. The device is finally available worldwide. The PhotoStick Omni was invented by Mark Ahman, a former HP exec. Mark noticed a common problem.
Our memories were becoming digitized, but also harder to find. Or worse, completely destroyed by accidents and computer crashes.
With his expertise at HP, Mark knew he could fix the issue.
What I learned in the process shocked me. As it turns out, losing a lifetime of cherished moments was incredibly common. I couldn't believe the sadness and frustration people were dealing with. I was determined to find a solution.
Needing to learn more, Mark decided to do some research, and what he found blew him away.
Over 140,000 computers were crashing every single week. Each time, people were paying hundreds of dollars to fix the issue. Even then, some of their most cherished memories could not be restored. Memories were backed up and they were a mess and hard to find. It seemed impossible to maintain them in our fast-paced digital world. That's when I knew I had the answer to my problem. I needed something that would find all of these memories across all my devices. It would organize and save all my photos and videos, even remove the duplicates. There would be no need for spending hours trying to find it all.
Right away, Mark consulted with the world's top computer and software engineers and worked tirelessly to make it easy for people. Getting the PhotoStick Omni to work seamlessly was a top priority.
I want something so easy that even non-techie people could use it.
The result of Mark's dedicated passion was the PhotoStick. The PhotoStick Omni is a powerful yet simple device that resembles a USB stick. But it doesn't only store your photos and videos, it intelligently finds and saves all of your memories for you in minutes, eliminating the need to search and organize thousands of photos and videos yourself, saving you hours of time and frustration. Using it is easy, anyone can do it. Just plug the PhotoStick Omni into any computer, phone, or tablet, and click or tap the green Go button. Immediately, the genius device will get to work, finding all your most important memories, and removing unnecessary copies of images and videos. Then it saves and backs up all your memories, so they stay safe, organized, and easy to access forever. Now you can actually look back at photos and enjoy more family moments. This device is recommended for anybody that wants to keep their memories safe forever, or anybody who wants to enjoy their memories again, but can't find them. The PhotoStick Omni really helps people who aren't computer savvy, but is also beloved by even those comfortable with technology, who don't have time to search their entire PC and phone to find their most cherished photos. Since going viral, over 1.5 million customers now love the PhotoStick Omni. In fact, it's already earned thousands of 5-star reviews and has been featured on major national news outlets.
It will save you time and money and alleviate the stress of having to organize the photos yourself.
I'm not a technical person. There's no software to install. It's just click and go, and all your photos are going to be stored in this easy little thing you can attach to anything.
Memories saved, that simple. It's amazing. I love this thing.
The PhotoStick Omni is affordable for everyone and includes a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So there's absolutely no risk to giving the PhotoStick Omni a try. There's no software to install, and no frustration or complicated technology to deal with. Thanks to the PhotoStick Omni, millions of people can benefit from this easy, safe way to protect your memories forever. Join the millions of people who are enjoying their precious memories. Click here to learn more.